Hello mga studs! Welcome back sa ating channel. Pagpatuloy natin ang ating discussion sa partnership dissolution. Last time kasi sa lecture number 13, ang ating emphasis is the partner's acquisition of interest o yung partner's buyout. Kung saan yung partner yung bibili doon sa interest ng magwi-withdraw na partner. Pero dito, sa ating topic sa ngayon, yung partnership yung bibili ng interest na iiwan noong partner na aalis or yung withdrawing partner. O ano ba yung mga kailangan ninyong tandaan? Pag pinag-uusapan natin yung partnership acquisition of interest, similar yung procedure nito doon sa admission by investment o yung contribution of asset. Yun nga lang, syempre, this is the exact opposite. Kasi doon sa admission by investment, merong additional assets and additional equity. Dito, dahil merong settlement, so bibilhin nung partnership yung equity, so babayaran yung partner na aalis, so there is a decrease in funds. So, nababawasan ang iyong assets and then nababawasan din ang iyong equity. Now, let me read it to you. The capital of the withdrawing partner will be closed at its book value. Kung ano ito na nakarecord sa libro, kung magkano yan, it will be deducted in full para masettle yung equity or yung interest ng withdrawing partner. Kaya ito nire-record at its book value. Now, yung amount of cash to be settled, it will depend doon sa agreement ng mga partners. Kasi the same doon sa admission by investment, meron din tayo ditong mga bonuses. Either bonus doon sa retiring partner or doon sa mga matitirang partners. So, illustrate na natin ito given this case number 23. So, I have here partners A, B, and C, with capital balances of 500,000, 300,000, and 200,000 respectively. Now, they share profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2:1. Si partner C, as agreed or with the consent of partners A and B, withdraw from the partnership. Now, we have here three assumptions, A, B, and C. What will be the recording entry? Kung sakali sa letter A, ang binayaran ay 200,000, sa letter B, ang binayaran naman ay 240,000, or sa letter C, kung ang binayaran ay 180,000. Okay? Madali lang naman ito, Just remember, kung magkano yung book value, yun yung tatanggalin sa libro, Kaya yun yung ide-debit na capital. Tapos, kung magkano yung binayaran, yun yung magiging credit to cash. Dito sa scenario letter A, dahil parehas lang naman yung amounts, the amount paid, which is 200,000, is also equivalent to the book value of partner C capital. Kaya dito, debit natin C capital and credit to cash for 200,000 pesos. Now, notice the difference doon sa partner's buyout. Kasi dito, ang kinikredit natin ay cash. Samantalang doon sa partner's buyout, that is a transfer of interest from the withdrawing partner papunta doon sa buying partner. But how about scenario letter B? Scenario letter B gives rise doon sa tinatawag natin na bonus. And it is a bonus doon sa withdrawing partner. Kasi yung amount paid is 240,000 pero yung book value is only 200,000. So, mas malaki yung binayaran versus doon sa value ng interest ni partner C. Once again, pansinin ninyo, ang debit natin, C capital for 200,000, A and B capital for 24 and 16,000, and credit to cash for 240,000. Yung difference na 40,000, ito yung i-distribute doon sa mga partners, yun yung paghahatian nung remaining partner based doon sa kanilang profit and loss sharing ratio without si partner na magwi-withdraw. Kaya dito makikita mo, 40,000 times 3 over 5, 40,000 times 2 over 5, Kasi ang profit or loss sharing ratio ng mga partners originally ay 3:2:1. Dahil mawawala si partner C, matatanggal yung 1, kaya 3:2 na yung magiging profit or loss sharing ratio. O kaya yun yung magiging basis kung papaano i-distribute yung 40,000. Notice also that it is debited to their individual capital accounts kasi dahil more than yung ibibigay doon sa withdrawing partner, yung 40,000 na decrease sa cash, it should be represented by a decrease in equity para balanse ang inyong accounting equation. Okay? Remember lang this one, yung C capital always at the book value. Yung cash is always at the agreed amount. Whatever is the difference, it is the bonus either for the retiring partner or doon sa mga remaining partners. And yung kabaliktaran nito, ito yung sa letter C na transaction. Kung saan, ang book value ay 200,000 pero ang binayaran lang ay 180,000. So, there is a 20,000 difference. I-debit pa rin natin dito yung book value for 200,000. I-credit pa rin natin yung cash for the agreed amount, 180,000. Magkano ang difference? 20,000. So, yung difference na yon, it represents the bonus. Pero ito, it is given to the remaining partners, si A and B. So, bonus from the withdrawing partners papunta doon sa remaining partner. 20,000 yon, multiplied based on their new profit or loss sharing ratio, excluding si partner C. 20,000 times 3/5, 20,000 times 2/5. Kaya 12,000 and 8,000. But in any given cases, yung total debits versus the total credit should always be equal, maintaining the equality of your accounting equation and the rule of debit and credit. Case 24 tayo, i-redo natin yung assumption letter C. But assuming that instead of the 180,000, ang binayaran ng partnership kay partner C ay cash na 100,000, tapos merong promissory note na 80,000. Kaya dito makikita mo yung journal entry, debit ka pa rin sa cash, ito pa rin yung book value, Tapos, ang credit mo cash, tapos dito meron kang credit na notes payable for 80,000. Kasi, promissory note, ibig sabihin, ang sabi ni partnership, partner C, kulang yung current cash na meron tayo, 100 muna yung ibibigay namin sa'yo, may balanse pa kami sa'yo na 80,000. Babayaran namin ito later on kung ano yung nasa promissory note, kung ano yung napagkasunduan. And then, the difference, yung bonus pa din ito. Okay, so that's how we deal with withdrawal of a partner, kung saan bibilhin ni partnership yung balanse, nung equity nung withdrawing partner. So maraming salamat guys para dito sa lecture number 14 and I hope na intindihan mo ito at na-compare mo ito doon sa lecture number 13. I'll see you on lecture number 15. Bye-bye.